Okay, this is just a quick fix for an annoying problem I've had with working with Tauri DevTools for a while. So if you try to use the DevTools in your Tauri application and it keeps getting back to the white theme even though you have set it to either dark or system preference. So as you can see, I have system preference already pre-selected, but when I selected it again, it actually turns to the dark setting, which is my system setting. And then if I close the DevTools again and open it, it keeps getting back to the white theme, the light theme. So what you actually need to do is you open the settings, you turn off Match Microsoft Edge color scheme, and then you set your theme. Either you leave it on your system preference, or if you want to be sure to always have dark, you can just enable the dark setting here. And then that should fix the problem. And if you open your DevTools, they now finally respect your setting. I've had this problem for a while now, and I'm so happy finally someone figured out the solution. I actually want to give credit to Sard, which he or she gracefully pointed out that if you uncheck Match Microsoft Edge color scheme and use Dark Plus as with Edge, it will fix your problem, and that's what fixed it for me. So thank you.